Hi, to use AirDrop on your iPhone 13, as a first step, unlock the phone, go in the settings. Here we need to go in this section Wi-Fi and make sure that it is enabled. Now after that, just swipe down from the upper right corner, press this tab with Wi-Fi, and here you would see the AirDrop feature. So you can press and hold it and select receiving off, so it will be disabled. Choose contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes. That is what I'm gonna do now. So after this tab, we need to open photos, for example, and here select a photo we want to send to another device. Let's choose this cute plant, then tap the share icon, select AirDrop from the list, and now we need to take our second device. Here we can also enable Wi-Fi as a first step and go in the AirDrop and select everyone for 10 minutes. Now, at this point, on your main device should appear the name of your second device. Just tap it to select and accept on your other device. And after that, wait a couple of seconds and this photo will appear on the second device. Here you can tap the 10 button and that's it, how it works. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.